Hi dear student, good morning. How are you? Where you live? You live peacefully, I believe. Sir. Then কাটি গেছে I do not take a class for a long time. Remembering you, I am taking a class on English second paper for class 9-10. Now dear student, you have already told me that sir, if you write Bangla, we will be very useful to you. Now dear student, I will try my best to use Bangla to make you understand complex to compound. Now dear student, you sit down to learn complex to compound. Now you take your khata, pen. Now dear student, complex sentence added with since, as, when. Complex since Rohim works hard, he shines in life. The complex sentence starts with since. The subordinate conjunction starts with since. How do we turn it into compound sentence? Now dear student, you omit the since and write down all the words in the sentence and use Rohim works hard and he shines in life. You see, except since I have written all the words in the sentence, but I have used and instead of comma. Do you understand? Now since উঠায়া সব বসবে কিন্তু কমা এর জায়গায় and হবে. Do you understand it? You see, another example, as Dina is beautiful. Everybody loves her. The subordinate conjunction starts with as. Now, except as or omitting as, we have to write all the words of the sentence. Dina is beautiful and everybody loves her. Wait a minute. Now, dear student, have you written the example? You see, in the same way, as bade sob likhechi, I have already written all the words, but I have used and instead of comma. So, it's the compound sentence. Now, dear student, you see, complex, when you come to school, you bring your textbooks. Now, dear student, you see, this subordinate clause starts with subordinate conjunction when. Omitting when, the compound sentence will be, you come to school and you. It's the optional. Bring your textbooks. Now, dear student, when the subject is equal of both principal clause, you go to school and you bring your textbooks, this subject and this subject. If the both subject is equal, both subjects are equal, you may use only one subject at first subject and it may you use or not. It's the optional. অর্থাৎ এই সেকেন্ড সাবজেক্টটা তোমরা ব্যবহার করলে করতে পারো, আবার না করলেও না করতে পারো। যদি সাবজেক্ট প্রথম প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লজের সাবজেক্ট এবং সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজের সাবজেক্ট একই হয়, অথবা প্রথম ক্লজের সাবজেক্ট ও দ্বিতীয় ক্লজের সাবজেক্ট একই হয়। এই আবু ওইখানে যাও, ল্যাপটপ রেখে আসছি, বের করে রেখে আসছি, ওই স্যারে বলেছেন। হ্যাঁ, নাও dear student, you see, do you understand it clearly? You see another example. Complex sentence added with if. Added with if, complex. If you work hard, you will shine in life. Now, dear student, if যুক্ত clause, when you see the subordinate conjunction starts with if, but the subject is you. The subject is you. The compound sentence starts with the principal verb of subordinate clause. অর্থাৎ কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্স শুরু হবে সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজের মূল ভার্ব থেকে, বাকি সব শুধুমাত্র কমার জায়গায় অ্যান্ড বসবে। যদি ইফ যুক্ত ক্লজটা ইউ দিয়ে শুরু হয় এবং সেন্টেন্সটা অ্যাফার্মেটিভ হয়। ওয়ার্ক হার্ড, ওয়ার্ক হার্ড and you will shine in life. Now যদি if যুক্ত ক্লজটা যদি if যুক্ত ক্লজ এর সাবজেক্ট ইউ হয় এবং সাবজেক্ট ইউ হয় এবং অ্যাফার্মেটিভ হয়, তাহলে কম্পাউন্ড সেন্টেন্স সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজের মূল ভার্ব থেকে সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ এর মূল ভার্ব থেকে সব বসবে কিন্তু কমা এর জায়গায় and বসবে। Do you understand? You see, this sentence starts with if and it is the affirmative sentence, and the subject is you, so this compound sentence will be started with principal verb work hard এবং কমার জায়গায় and rest of the parts of the sentence. Do you understand it? Now dear student, এখন যদি সেন্টেন্সের সাবজেক্ট ইউ না হয়, যদি ফার্স্ট পারসন বা থার্ড পারসন হয়, রহিম ওয়ার্কস হার্ড। If Rahim works hard, he will shine in life. Here it's the affirmative clause, subordinate clause, but its subject is Rahim and he. They are not you or second person. How do we make it the compound sentence? Now dear student, at first late plus the object of Rahim and its rest of the parts, here and is used and the rest of the part. Do you understand? Or if we do not use Rahim here, if we use he, then it would be him. Let him works hard and rest of the part. Do you understand? অর্থাৎ যদি থার্ড পারসন হয় বা ফার্স্ট পারসন হয় অথবা তাহলে কি করতে হবে? অ্যাট ফার্স্ট লেট বসবে প্লাস সাবজেক্টের অবজেক্ট প্লাস ড্যাশ সব বসবে অ্যান্ড বসবে এবং রেস্ট অফ দ্য পার্ট। Do you understand it? Now, dear student, complex sentence added if plus negative clause or unless plus affirmative clause অর্থাৎ if এর পরে যদি নেগেটিভ কথা থাকে, আনলেস এর পরে যদি অ্যাফার্মেটিভ কথা থাকে, তাহলে কিভাবে আমরা এটি কম্পাউন্ড করব? if you come to school, you will meet me. যদি তুমি if you come to school you will meet me, how to change it into compound sentence? In the same way you have to start the if plus negative. If you do not come to school you will not meet me. Now, dear student, you see this subordinate clause is negative. If you do not come to school, it's the negative, and you will not meet me. How to change it into compound sentence? In the same way, the compound sentence starts with the principal verb of subordinate clause come to school. Come to school, but here you have to use or and rest of the part. You will not meet me. You see, in the same way, if subordinate clause এর মূল ভার্ব থেকে সব বসবে, কিন্তু কমা এর জায়গায় or বসবে। Have you written? Now, dear student, you see another example. Unless you work hard, you will not shine in life. You see, dear student, this subordinate clause starts with unless subordinate conjunction. It gives you the negative meaning. In the same way, if you do not come to school, unless you work hard, যদি if means if dash not, so it's the negative meaning. If you work hard you will not shine in life. The compound sentence will be work hard or you will not shine in life. অর্থাৎ মূল ভার্ব থেকে ইন দ্য সেম ওয়ে সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজ এর মূল ভার্ব থেকে সব বসবে, কিন্তু কমায়ের জায়গায় অর বসবে। সেম স্ট্রাকচার। নাও ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, if the complex sentence starts with though, although, complex sentence added with though, although, complex though Rohim works hard, he does not get proper salary or remuneration, salary. You see, this subordinate clause starts with though. Omitting though, rest of the parts will be used but is used instead of comma. You see, I am writing Rohim works hard but he does not get proper. Now, dear student, you see, though or although বাদ দিয়ে সব বসবে, কিন্তু কমা এর জায়গায় বার্ড বসবে। Do you understand? Now, dear student, if the complex sentence added to it so that or in order that Ratan reads attentively. Ratan reads attentively to pass in the exam. Oh, sorry, dear student, I have to write the complex sentence. Ratan reads attentively so that he may pass in the exam. You see, this subordinate clause starts with so that subordinate conjunction. How do we change this into compound sentence? Ratan wants to pass in the exam, and so he reads attentively. Ratan wants to pass in the exam and so he reads attentively. You see how to we change it at first subject Ratan, then wants to, you have to use wants to according to the tense, wants to or wanted to, want to plus so that থেকে মূল ভার্বের পূর্ব পর্যন্ত মূল ভার্বের পূর্ব পর্যন্ত সব উঠে যাবে মূল ভার্বের পর্যন্ত সব উঠে যাবে প্লাস বাকি অংশ বসবে প্লাস and so plus so that এর আগের অংশ. Now dear student, you see at first subject Ratan wants to so that থেকে মূল ভার্বের পূর্ব পর্যন্ত সব উঠে যাবে অর্থাৎ so that থেকে মূল ভার্বের পূর্ব পর্যন্ত এই so that থেকে এই পর্যন্ত সব উঠে যাবে. It's the principal verb of subordinate clause. Pass in the exam use and so that এর আগের অংশ, it is the so that এর আগের অংশ Ratan reads attentively. So Ratan at first I have used Ratan, so next the pronoun of Ratan he reads attentively. Do you understand? Okay dear student, so that and in order that in the same way you have to change into compound sentence. Now dear student, if the subordinate clause starts with as soon as I heard the news, I went there. You see, this subordinate clause starts with as soon as subordinate conjunction. How to change into compound sentence? Now dear student, I heard the news and at once or immediately I went there. You see, except as soon as I have written to all the parts of the sentence. I heard the news, I went there, I heard the news and at once I went there. I have used extra and at once or immediately, অর্থাৎ as soon as উঠায়া সব বসবে শুধুমাত্র কমা এর জায়গায় and at-once তৎক্ষণাৎ at-once or immediately বসাতে হবে। Do you understand it? Now dear student, how to change the complex sentence added with relative pronoun? Relative pronoun. Do you know what are the relative pronouns? Relative pronoun who, is, that. They are the relative pronoun. Now dear student, complex, a boy who works hard, shines in life. It's the natural. You see, it is subordinate clause who works hard. It is the subordinate clause, but this clause is before the principal verb of principal clause. Principal verb, pair verb of principal clause. Now, dear student, omitting the relative pronoun who, you have to use and before the principal clause. Principal clause এর ভার্বের আগে। A boy works hard and shines in life. You see, I have used and before the principal verb of principal clause and. Now dear student, যখন তোমরা দেখবে the subordinate clause is used before the principal verb of principal clause, অর্থাৎ মেইন ভার্বে প্রিন্সিপাল ক্লজের মেইন ভার্বের আগে সাবঅর্ডিনেট ক্লজটা রয়েছে, তখন তোমরা অ্যান্ডটা প্রিন্সিপাল ভার্বের আগে বসাবে। You see another example. The intercity train. The intercity train that leaves from Khulna goes to Dhaka. You see, the intercity train that leaves from Khulna, it's the subordinate clause and it is used before the principal verb goes. So omitting that, you have to use rest of the parts of the sentence, but and is used before goes. The intercity train train leaves from Khulna and goes to Dhaka. Do you understand it? Now, dear student, I will show another example that is used after the principal clause. I know the boy who wants to go to Dhaka. I know the boy who wants to go to Dhaka. It's the principal subordinate clause and it is used after the principal verb know, or it is used after the principal clause. Now, dear student, how to change it into compound sentence? I know the boy. And omitting some relative pronoun here and is used, and he wants to go to Dhaka. Now, dear student, principal clause plus and plus subject of or subject of who antecedent of who antecedent or who এর পূর্বের যে নাউন প্রোনাউন থাকবে তার প্রোনাউন plus ex. Do you understand it? Now, dear student, if the complex sentence added with so dash dash that. Now, complex Rahim was so weak that he could not walk. Now, dear student, you see, Rahim was very weak and he could not walk. You see, instead of so I have used very, and instead of that I have used and the rest of the part of the sentence are used. Now, dear student, I have already finished the class. I am giving some questions. You try your best to answer these questions. You try. Now, dear student, I am not giving any more goodbye. You try your best to study. Thank you.